Welcome to the 1870s, a time-intensive era of smelting, forging iron, and manual inspections for quality control. Since then, we have evolved and entered into a new era of 3D printing, where almost anything we imagine can be printed. With no real-time defect detection systems, we still rely on manual inspections for quality control. As a result, defect rates are really high. For high-end parts like aviation parts, medical devices, or satellites, 3D printing waste costs can be massive. For example, to 3D print a satellite, this is the process flow currently. Bottom line, defects are only detected 10 weeks into the process. On average, manufacturers go through this process 3 times to get it right. That's why we invented DONAA, a B2B SaaS platform that assesses geometric and strand defects in real time using material science and AI. How does it work? Very simple color coding. DONAA indicates a green status when there are no defects. However, as soon as there is a defect, the status turns red, and the software alerts the machine operator that the defect has occurred. Metrics we track include spatter, melt pool, and stresses and strains, all through a camera, as you can see the setup in the picture. So what does this mean for the satellite part we started with? With DONAA, you can detect defects immediately they occur, shortening iteration times and avoid building parts that would have to be scrapped. So we have a patent and we have another one pending, and we are running pilots now across multiple industries with multiple manufacturers, including Thales and Metron. And from our early results, we can see that success rate in 3D printing is improved from 16 to 99%, and 5 times less time is spent on post-printing, with 7 times less materials wasted. Use of 3D printing is booming. Market size is 4.1 billion pounds, with a potential future market size of up to 12 trillion pounds. DONAA is offered as a B2B SaaS subscription to our end users, where we align incentives with them by capturing 10% of their saving. We also offer DONAA as a licensing fee to 3D printing machine manufacturers, where we provide them a competitive edge for their machines, and we use their distribution platform. Space is our first target market, and we're expanding to healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and the remaining industries as a result. So compared to the competition, DONAA is broader in its applications and more dynamic in its coverages. DONAA is the only solution that can detect both geometric and strand defects. So I'm Anas, the founder and CEO. I have 3 masters and a PhD, and this is my second startup. Basically, I'm a nerd and I love what I do. Dr. Amel has extensive experience in computer science and cybersecurity, which is key for us to process high volume of data safely. Camille, our CTO, is expert in quality control and software engineering, and Hamzika, our COO, is a biomedical engineer with expertise in complex numerical simulations, and she's also enabling us to expand to the medical sector. And we're overseen by some of the strongest advisors in the industry and academia. Some of them are founders themselves. And we are raising 1.1 million pounds to boost our pipeline, publicly launch our subscription, and reach 1.3 million ARR in the next 18 months. Thank you.